What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, back with another video. As you can see in the thumbnail as well as the title, we have a new Nike Dunk Low, and these dropped on, I believe, the Nike sneakers app. Yeah, Nike app. One of those apps a couple days ago, and I hit on a size 12 of these Nike Dunk Lows. I don't remember the name of them, but obviously by now you're watching the video, so you'll see the title and you'll know exactly what dunks they are. But no further ado, welcome back if you're here. If you're new here, welcome as well. Subscribe to the channel. We on our way to 600 subs. Subscribe not only to this channel, but also subscribe to my other channel, and also run up them follows and go support on me. Go support on my Instagram. Go show some love over there, like, comment, all that good stuff on my videos, photos, whatever. Also, if you're new here, comment whatever you want to comment. Ask any questions. I respond to all comments as well. So, no further ado, let's get right into this video. Let's get it. Alright, so off rip, Nike Dunk Low, obviously, orange, red box, whatever you want to call this color. Like I said in the intro, I hit on a size 12. You can see right there. And yeah, let's get right into it. Oh, so let me read the coloring that it says on the box, actually. So it says Nike Dunk Low, Vast Gray, Summit White. So that's the colorway that they give in this. Like I said, resale on these are pretty decent, I guess, depending on what size and how much you sell it for. But I had a size 12. So here we go. Boom, bada bang. And if you don't know, if it's just your first time in my channel, everything you see on these videos, unless I say further notice, is for sale. So if you see these and you want these, hit me up ASAP and we can negotiate or talk a price, and we'll go from there and I can ship it to you guys. So let's get into the shoe. Let me close the box. Let's do a quick little thumbnail for these bad boys. Boom. So you see that this is a nice cool colorway. It's a nice little, nice little vibe to it. The Vast Gray, I guess you can see, it's like, if you know about the Canyon Purple Jordan 4s, it's that type of same material. It's all like, this type of material. It's not leather or suede, or I guess you could call that a little suede, but it got like, like carpet cloth talk. Like cloth material. And what else color does it say it has? Vast Gray. Summit White Vast Gray, I guess. Well, I don't know what color this really is. It looks like not a peach, but I don't know if it's gray or white, because it's definitely not white and that's definitely not gray. But definitely a different type of dunk. Obviously the bottom is gray on both. No extra shoelaces. This feels like some type of yellowing on the tongue. I don't know if you could tell the difference, but it's definitely some yellowing type of tongue, like a, not pea colorway, but like just a different type of yellowing. But there's definitely, I just wanted to do a quick review on these guys, because let me know what your thoughts is on this dunk. This literally came out of nowhere, so there's no like history, no type of dealing on this. Obviously strictly I resell, so this is what I got it for. So if you wear a size 12 and you want these, maybe for the toe, obviously, or I don't know who would invest in these, but either way, if you want these, hit me up. They are for sale. Oh, that smells like a good ass dunk smell. Either way, let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. If you're watching this, maybe you don't know about this, but maybe because in the title it'll get a lot of views because no one knows, but they see the title Dunk Low. But either way, this is a solid colorway. It looks like a freaking type of purple a little bit from far away. Can't really tell, but it looks like a light lavender purple and all that good stuff. But just one shoelaces they give you, obviously. So nothing really too crazy about these. Nike be shipping off freaking dirty ass pairs. Like how you send me a DS shoe, but I gotta have to sometimes clean it. that make any sense. And sometimes it's not even the glue stains. It's literally like fucking dirt. Like someone just scraped these on the fucking floor or polished shit. I don't know, but solid shit. Anyways, lucky it didn't dirty anything. Just my fork fell. That was my food I had last night. Luckily, no grease stains. Crazy, because grease got on my hand. I don't know if you can tell the reflection. Now my hand smells like freaking, yeah, rice or grease. Lucky nothing got on the shoe. But either way, this is the shoe. Right here in the flesh. Size 12. Summit white. Vast gray. So Vast gray, Summit white. That's the colorway. Let me know what you guys think about these. Is it a calm, cool dunk? I don't know. Just wanted to do a quick review for you guys. Some content about some new dunks that I recently picked up from Nike.com. That recently restocked. So they did sell out. So obviously people want them. And they're pretty decent colorway, pretty decent everyday type of shoe. Prices might go up in the next like spring-ish type of weather season. Definitely not winter, but you could wear this for winter if you want to. If it gets dirty, it could be like your beaters, your everyday shoe. I know it's hard to really see because it looks white on camera, but I'm doing the best I can to show you guys. But no further ado, I'll probably do a double upload today. I don't know. I have another dunk low that restocked on Nike.com and I copped, but I don't think no one cares about it. But I'll probably still do a video. So subscribe to this channel, like I always say. Subscribe to both channels. I have this one, my other channel. Also follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Let me put these bad boys away before I even do the outro. Because I don't want this to get any stains or anything. Because it's for resale and I can't afford. I don't even, obviously this is profit, so I'm not trying to return it and get a stain or nothing. But alright, see you on the flip side.